Happy holidays everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm opening one of my presents from Christmas. So this present is from my best friend Clea and this outfit is from my sister Janaya. So let's get started. Okay, so I don't know what's inside this box, but right now I'm going to guess what's inside. I'm guessing it's something that has to do with DIY. If you guys don't know what DIY means, it says do it yourself. Okay, so now I'm going to open the box to see if I was right or not. Let's start opening this box. Okay, this is going to be hard. Okay, so this is what I got. This is what I got. If anybody knows what it is, put it in the comments below. Okay, so this box was inside of the other box. Let's see what's inside of this box. Oops. Yay! Okay, so I was wrong, but at least I got a light. It's very nice and it's good quality. Okay, so now I'm going to see if I could set it up properly. Okay, so first I'm going to read the instructions. Thank you, Claire, for giving me this gift. This will help so much since I'm starting to do YouTube now. Okay, so let's set it up. Okay guys, so I finally set up this light. Now, there's like a little remote over here that you press to turn it on. So there's a light around it, and I'm going to put my face in it. Also, it changes colors, but not all of the colors. So there's white, there's this light peachy color, and then there's this other peachy color. Then it goes back to white. Also, you can lower down the light of the actual light stand. As you can see, I'm turning it down. And then you can turn it back up if you want. Oh yeah, and I forgot, this ring light also goes on to different heights. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time, and hope you guys have a great holiday. Bye!